According to Sundar Pichai,
YouTube have billions of users in single day and watch time of about 1 million hours on YouTube. Photos. 2 years ago Google launched Photos and today over 500 million active users. Google Drive. It was launched 5 years ago and now it has over 800 million monthly active users in every single week. Here over 3 billion objects stuff uploaded to Google Drive. Google Maps. Every one single day uses navigation over 1 billion km with Google Maps. And last but not least, now Google have 2 billion active devices of Android.